Are you on the hunt for the perfect Christmas gift for your daughter? Ah yes, the age-old holiday struggle. We've all been there. You want to find that special something that not only says I love you but also I know you. But let's face it, it's not always easy, is it? One minute they're into this, the next minute they're into that. And don't even get me started on the generational gap. What was cool when we were kids might not be quite as cool now, but don't fret, that's why we're here. We've been doing some serious homework, and we've put together a list of gifts that's going to take all the guesswork out of your holiday shopping. From personalized jewelry to DIY craft kits, we've got something for every daughter out there. So without further ado, stay tuned as we reveal some of the best Christmas gift ideas that your daughter will absolutely love. First up on our list is personalized jewelry. Now, this is a gift that never goes out of style. Personalized jewelry like name necklaces or birthstone rings carries a timeless appeal. It's a one-of-a-kind piece that's crafted with a special person in mind. It's the kind of gift that says, I know you, I understand you, and I appreciate your unique style. Imagine your daughter's delight when she unwraps a necklace with her name intricately designed in silver or gold. Or perhaps a ring that features her birthstone, a piece that's not only beautiful but also deeply personal. This isn't just any piece of jewelry, it's a symbol of her identity, a testament to her individuality. And the beauty of personalized jewelry is that it can evolve with her, becoming a cherished keepsake that she'll treasure for years to come. So if you're looking for a thoughtful and unique gift, consider personalized jewelry. Personalized jewelry, a gift that truly says, this was made just for you. Next, we have DIY craft kits. If you're looking for a Christmas gift that sparks creativity and provides hours of fun, then look no further. DIY craft kits are a fantastic choice for daughters who have a flair for arts and crafts. These kits come with all the necessary materials and step-by-step instructions to create something truly unique. Whether it's making jewelry, painting, or even knitting, the possibilities are endless. Providing not just a one-time present, but an ongoing activity, DIY craft kits allow your daughter to dive into her artistic side, learn new skills, and foster her creativity. And the best part? The end result is a beautiful, handmade item she can proudly display or gift to someone else. This type of gift also encourages patience, focus, and problem-solving, while offering a fun way to pass the time. So, for a gift that combines fun, creativity, and a sense of accomplishment, consider DIY craft kits. DIY craft kits, a gift that combines fun and creativity. Our third gift idea is a book subscription box. A delightful surprise every month, filled with the intoxicating scent of fresh pages, the thrill of new characters, and the joy of unexplored worlds. It's perfect for daughters who are avid readers or those who are just discovering the wonders of literature. Each box comes with a carefully curated selection of books, aimed at sparking curiosity, encouraging empathy, and fostering a lifelong love of reading. Whether she's into fantasy, mystery, romance, or all of the above, there's a subscription out there that will cater to her tastes. And it's not just about the books. Many boxes also come with thematic extras like bookmarks, art prints, or even a cup of tea to enjoy while reading. It's like a mini literary festival delivered to your doorstep every month. This is more than just a gift. It's an investment in her imagination, her knowledge, and her future. A book subscription box, a gift that keeps on giving. Fourth on our list is a personalized planner. Now, we all know that planners are incredibly useful tools to keep our busy lives in order. They help us manage our time, track our goals, and remember important dates. But when you add a touch of personalization to it, it becomes more than just another notebook. It becomes a unique and thoughtful gift, a daily reminder of the thought and care you put into choosing it. Imagine your daughter flipping through her planner, seeing her name or perhaps a meaningful quote embossed on the cover. It's a special touch that she'll appreciate every day. And let's not forget about the practical side of this gift. For daughters who love to stay organized, a personalized planner can be an absolute game changer. It allows them to jot down their thoughts, plans, and goals in a place that truly feels like their own. A personalized planner, a gift that combines style and practicality. We hope these gift ideas help you in finding the perfect Christmas gift for your daughter. Let's take a moment to recap. Our first suggestion was personalized jewelry, a timeless and elegant gift. Whether it's a bracelet, a necklace, or a ring, a piece of jewelry engraved with her name, her initials, or a special message can be a treasure that she'll cherish forever. Next, we shared the idea of DIY craft kits. These kits not only provide a fun and engaging activity, but also allow your daughter to explore her creativity and maybe even discover a new hobby. From embroidery to soap making, the possibilities are endless. Then we proposed a book subscription box. If your daughter is an avid reader, this gift can be a delightful surprise every month. Each box comes with a selection of books and often some extra goodies that any bookworm would appreciate. Lastly, we suggested a personalized planner. In this digital age, a physical planner can be a breath of fresh air. It can help your daughter stay organized and plan her days, weeks, and months. And with her name on it, it's a gift that's uniquely hers. These gifts can be found at fantastic deals online. A quick search can lead you to numerous sites that offer these items at competitive prices. Plus, the convenience of online shopping means you can find the perfect gift without leaving the comfort of your home. But remember, the best gift is one that comes from the heart. It's not about how much you spend, but the thought and care you put into choosing a gift that your daughter will love. So there you have it, folks. 4 wonderful gift ideas that could make this Christmas a little more special for your daughter. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check the description for the best deals on these gifts. Happy shopping and have a wonderful Christmas.